A share value equivalent to $6.2316 a coin. The present reach. $6.0116, $6.2322. The earlier day close. $6.0905. The change was plus 0.1411, plus 2.32%. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Axes. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost forecast for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $5.47. Greatest cost $7.37, least cost $5.17. The normal for the month $6.23. The share cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.89, change for November 26.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset cost at $6.89. Most extreme cost $9.08, least cost $6.05. The normal for the month $7.45. A share cost figure toward the month's end $7.76, change for December 12.6%. A share cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at $7.76. Greatest cost $9.63, least cost $7.76. The normal for the month $8.54. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $9, change for January 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $9.00. Greatest cost $9.45, least cost $8.21. The normal for the month $8.87. A share cost figure toward the month's end $8.83, change for February 1.9%. A share cost expectation for WALK 2024. Initially cost at $8.83. Most extreme cost $8.83, least cost $6.90. The normal for the month $8. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.42, change for spring 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else cost at $7.42. Most extreme cost $8, least cost $6.96. The normal for the month $7.47. A share cost figure toward the month's end $7.48, change for April 0.8%. A share cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at $7.48. Greatest cost $7.48, least cost $6.04. The normal for the month $6.87. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.49, change for May 13.2%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. At the outset cost at $6.49. Greatest cost $6.49, least cost $5.24. The normal for the month $5.96. A share cost figure toward the month's end $5.63, change for June 13.3%. A share cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at $5.63. Most extreme cost $5.68, least cost $4.94. The normal for the month $5.39. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $5.31, change for July 5.7%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with cost at $5.31. Greatest cost $5.31, least cost $4.33. The normal for the month $4.90. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.66, change for August 12.2%. A share cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $4.66. Greatest cost $4.66, least cost $3.79. The normal for the month $4.30. The share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.07, change for September 12.7%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. To start with cost at $4.07. Most extreme cost $5.05, least cost $4.07. The normal for the month $4.48. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $4.72, change for October 16.0%. Axie cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at $4.72. Most extreme cost $4.72, least cost $3.79. The normal for the month $4.33. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $4.07, change for November 13.8%. Axie cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $4.79. Most extreme cost $5.61, least cost $4.79. The normal for the month $5.11. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $5.24, change for January 9.4%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $5.24. Greatest cost $6.51, least cost $5.24. The normal for the month $5.77. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $6.08, change for February 16.0%. Axie cost expectation for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $6.08. Greatest cost $6.08, least cost $4.75. The normal for the month $5.51. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.11, change for spring 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Before all else cost at $5.11. Most extreme cost $5.11, least cost $4.34. The normal for the month $4.81. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $4.67, change for April 8.6%. Axie cost expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at $4.67. Greatest cost $5.80, least cost $4.67. The normal for the month $5.14. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $5.42, change for May 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $5.42. Greatest cost $5.49, least cost $4.77. The normal for the month $5.20. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $5.13, change for June 5.4%. Axie cost expectation for July 2026. At the outset cost at $5.13. Most extreme cost $5.13, least cost $4.01. The normal for the month $4.65. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $4.31, change for July 16.